Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to change language in Gemini AI. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Gemini AI on your phone. And once you open the application, you'll have to go to the settings. So to go to the settings, click on your profile icon on the top right side. And now you'll have to scroll down till you find here settings. Click on it, then go to languages. And now here you will find all the languages that you can use in Gemini. You just have to choose any one of these languages, then apply for it and go back and you will find the language that is changed already. So I will switch it right now. It will get out of the application. Then now when you go back and open it here, you'll find the new language. So this is how you can actually use it to change the language. And that's all for this video. I hope it was useful. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.